Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Writing beautiful and instructional Python code not only makes it easier for others to understand your work but also enhances your own coding experience. In this tutorial, we'll explore some fundamental principles and code examples to help beginners write elegant and instructive Python code. Let's dive into each of these concepts with code examples. Use meaningful and descriptive variable names to make your code self-explanatory. This helps others, and yourself, understand the purpose of each variable. Maintain consistent and appropriate indentation to enhance code readability. Python relies on indentation for block structures. Use comments for short explanations and docstrings for more extensive documentation. Both help others understand your code's functionality. Reuse code by creating functions or using loops instead of duplicating the same code in multiple places. Break your code into functions to create modular, reusable, and organized code. Use classes to group related data and functions, creating a more structured and maintainable code base. Handle errors gracefully using try-except blocks to prevent crashes and improve user experience. Adhere to Python's PEP 8 style guide for consistent code formatting and conventions. Tools like Pylint and Flake 8 can help you identify and correct style violations. By following these principles and examples, you'll be well on your way to writing beautiful and instructional Python code that is easy to understand and maintain, whether you're working on personal projects or collaborating with others in the Python community. ChatGPT